guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a deep clean before 2024. I need to deep clean, I need to declutter my space, and I need to set things up for 2024 because 2024 is going to be an amazing, great year. And I also want to thank every single one of my subscribers. Like, you guys are so amazing. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. So congratulations to us because we made it to 1,000 subscribers. Every single one of you have a special space in my heart. I cannot appreciate you guys enough. You guys are just so wonderful. Thank you all so much, and let's dive right into this video. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. And let's get right into it.
from the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Because you know we're at the bar. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I show you get the little loving on me God.
Don't know how to love me.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, and they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's all embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback.
Cheers with a cup of smoothie for getting things done today. Cheers. And also cheers for 1,000 subscribers. Cheers. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. If you did, go ahead and leave your comment down below. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Chillin' on the west side, call my home girl, tell your best friend, 'cause I do.